Today I'll be explaining how to show images in Ren'Py. The first step to showing images is to import images. There are two kinds of images. You got background images and foreground images. Background images must have BG in front of the name. In order to display a background, the term scene must be used, followed by the name of your background. See, our background image gets displayed. Then, to show something on the foreground, you use the show variable. The show followed by the name of your image. See, sometimes it won't work. There's a way to fix this. You can use a define. Not define, I'm sorry. Image. Text followed by the name of your image. We can name this. Now you want to go ahead and put the name of your image in this, or the cipher, 4.2.png. We can remove our background right now, just so we can make our image visible. When we launch this, as you can see, our image shows up on the foreground. You also can hide images by doing hide and then the name of your image. You can also clean up your images by putting them into folders, and it will still function the same way. Make this work, to display images that are not inside of the images folder, do the same as you normally would do, but this time you want to put the directory followed by a slash. Then you can put the name of your image. As you can see, it works. That has been our tutorial on images in Ren'Py. I will see you all later.